Mutongoria wa Florida gitaroini nianyitete ugeni president wa bururi Iran Ebrahim Raisi uria wambikete icere riake gitaroini kia Afrika akimbereria na bururi wa Kenya guku gwataniro gatagate ka mabururi maya meri korwo ikigacerithio kuri maragwa ni makuru magithondeka thoko ya maciaro ma urimi hamwe na mathomo ma tekinology kwona Iran ni bururi uria ukoragwo uhegereire muno thiini wa secta-ini ta uria maina wa mucwe aratariria.
Iceera ria president wa bururi wa Iran Ebrahim Raisi gitaroini kia Afrika riambiriirie na bururi wa Kenya kinyitwo ugeni ni mutongoria wa bururi Ruto itemi ria gukuria gwataniro gatagate ka mabururi maya meri.
Kenya and Iran are strategically situated to be each other's key points of entry into our respective regions.
Ugeni nduthiagirwo theri President Ruto ni ataririe uria bururi uyu ukugunika na thoko ya macani kuona mwaka-ini uyu Kenya ni yendeire Iran macani ma muigana wa bilioni 4 hamwe na maciaro ma urimi hari niguo cungagiriria ukuria wa bururi na gikiro kia iguru.
I express to His Excellency the President our appreciation of our bilateral cooperation in the promotion of trade, particularly in the export of Kenyan products to Iran. Most specifically, I sought the President's commitment in facilitating the export of more tea, meat, and other agricultural products to Iran.
Kuona bururi wa Iran ni uhegereire makiria hari uthiri wa tekinology gukinyeneria motungata mao, Ruto augite ati gwataniro ya mabururi maya meri ikuhe ayuthi kamweke ga kugacirithia ugi wa secta-ini ino riri bururi urakinyeneria mubango wa uthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu hari ukinyeneria wa motungata matiganite kuri muingi.
Kenya is also highly encouraged by the great interest shown by Iran in promoting technological and entrepreneurial innovation among Kenyan youth by promoting incubation of Kenya's startups and creative industry through the Iran House Innovation and Technology Center. This is an outstanding intervention that is innovative and directly aligned with our national aspiration towards creating a digital superhighway and a robust digital economy as primary pillars of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Bururi ukigieka na wagi wa mawira na gikiro kia iguru, bururi wa Iran wiraniririe kwambiriria kiganda kia gucokaniriria icunjĩ cia ngari mobatha iria ihetwo ritwa ria kifaru mieke ya mawira ikirigirwo guthunduka.
His Excellency President Raisi conveyed to me information that will be good news for stakeholders in our mechanical and automotive sector, including dealers, engineers, technicians, and other workers.
Na kuhetukira kweherio kwa mahoti uthondeki-ini wa dawa cia mathibitari ni ahinyiririe bururi uyu kuoya kamweke gaka na kuigithia iganda cia uthondeki dawa guku bururi-ini mubango-ini wa thirikari wa ukinyaniria motungata ma mwiri makinyaniriru guothe bururi-ini.
Iran should take advantage of that opportunity and set up industry in Kenya.
Riri ni iceera ria mbere ria President Raisi gitaroini kia Afrika, iceera ria mwisho rikianika miaka 11 mihituku. Handu-ini ha Mutingi TV, riake ni maina wa mucwe.